everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Play Store not working on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on app management. Click on app list. Scroll down and search Play Store from here and click on storage and cache and clear cache Play Store app. After clear cache, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So you will see your problem is solved. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.